Good morning, guys. They're getting ready for New Year's Eve. It's the 31st today. What the fuck was that? Just wake up. Oh my god, man. Nice. It's gonna be fun tonight, man. Fuck's sake, we're in 2018 already. I remember 18 years ago passing in 2000. Be like, wow, it's 2000 already, you know? It's like a big step. 18 years later, still alive. What are you, a dick? You have to watch out for drunk driver in this city, especially on New Year's Eve, guys. It's 20 past 11. I'm on my way home. Last year I make it into the fireworks zone. You can see that video in the description. But this year I'll try to make it at 12 o'clock at home. I got 40 minutes to go. It's an hour ride normally. I should make it on time. I'm on Edza, and it's not empty as I thought. It's not too busy. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Yeah. They say firework is banned this year. How can you ban something in the Philippines? They banned smoking a few months ago. The next day, people were still smoking in the street. People were still smoking in a bar, in a club, and nobody gives a fuck. So let's make it home on time with family this year. I'm 95 already. Nice. Quick throttle power. 96. Ah, you motherfuck you! You motherfucker. Should have watched, I know, but shoot to kill! Shoot to kill! Of course, guys, Happy New Year, and I hope you have a great year. Let's make 2018 better than 2017. Let's work harder and enjoy. Thanks for watching. like a kid. Where's Daddy Boy?
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember